Good day everyone, I am Clavel and today I'll be discussing about merge sort algorithm on implementing on Java language. So here's our code. So on our first line we have our import Java to tutorial arrays which is used to utilize the um, arrays on our program so that we can use the different like built-in methods to be used in our program. The next we have our class, and then we have the our merge method, which is used to merge the two subarrays in on our algorithm. In this next line, this is used to calculate our left subarray, and this is used for to calculate our right subarrays. After calculating our left and right subarrays, this line is used to hold our left subarrays, and this is used to hold our right subarrays. Then this for loop is used for to populate our left subarrays and then store it to our array L. And then, by the way, this is for our left subarray. And then for this next loop is this is used to populate our right subarray and then store it to our M array to hold our right subarray on our algorithm. Then next is we will declare our indices I, J, and K. Then we initialize its value to 0, J to 0, and K to value of P. Then this while loop is to start a loop to merge the element of our left and right subarray back into our original array. So we have the F conditional statement to check our condition if our left subarray is greater than or equals to our right subarray. That means we will store the left subarray into our original value here, and then we will iterate our indices I to 1. If this condition is not true, then we will go through this line else. So else have inside the else conditional statement we will store in here we will store our right subarray back into our original array, and then we will iterate our G indices by 1, then end our else statement. Then we will iterate K by 1, and then this close bracket is to end our while loop. Then another while loop. This is used to check if we have still a left element to our original array. So first we will check, and then we will what do you call it put value into our original array with the value of our left subarray. Then we will increment I by 1 and then K by 1, then end our while loop. And this second loop is to handle the remaining elements for our right array. Then store our right array back into our original array, then increment J by 1 and K by 1, then end our for loop, and then here is to end our merge method. The next we have another method called merge sort. This here is used. This method is used to conquer and divide our elements. So first is we have to check the condition. If left is less than right, then that means we will calculate our mid to divide our elements by 2. Then we will recursively call our merge sort algorithm, a merge sort method for our left subarray, and then this method is used for our right subarray. We will call it again and again until our um, condition is false. Then after recursively call our two methods, then after calling it, that means that our elements have been conquered and divided until there are only they hold one element per stub array. Then next we have our merge method. This is used to merge our different subarrays into one so that we can determine our sorted elements. The next is we have our main method of our program, which will be executed first, but I didn't explain it first as I am explaining to you first the methods used in our programs. So in our main method, we have an array we initialize an array which have the value 1, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 80. So this value is we will sort it out. The next we have an initialization of OB. So after initializing our OB object, we will then go through this next line. So OB dot merge sort, that means we will call our merge method, which have a parameter of array, which have this value, and then 0, and an array length which is 6, and then -1, that means 5, as array starts with 0. And then after going through this a method, we'll then print this on our screen. Then after printing this, we will go through this one, then print our we will go through this one, array.toString, array. Then we have this output, and then this curly bracket is to end our main method, and this next curly bracket is used to close our main class. So that's all for merge sort algorithm using Python and using recursive methods. So that's all for today, and thank you.